Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make pure oregano oil at home, step by step. This natural remedy is simple to create and offers many benefits. We'll start by gathering our ingredients, then move on to preparing the fresh oregano. Next, we'll gently infuse the herbs into a carrier oil, ensuring maximum potency. Finally, I'll guide you through straining and properly storing your homemade oregano oil for long-lasting use. It's a rewarding process. The first crucial step is preparing your oregano. Choose fresh, healthy leaves, ideally from your garden, for the highest quality oil. Gently wash them under cool water to remove any dirt or debris. It's absolutely essential to let the oregano air dry completely. Any water can spoil your oil. Spread them on a clean towel for several hours or even overnight. Once dry, coarsely chop the leaves to help release their potent essential oils during infusion. Now for the infusion process. Combine about 1 cup of your coarsely chopped oregano with 2 cups of a good quality carrier oil, like olive or almond oil, in the top of a double boiler. Gently heat this mixture for 3 to 6 hours. It's vital to keep the temperature low, ideally between 100 and 120 degrees Fahrenheit, to preserve the oregano's beneficial compounds. Stir occasionally to ensure the herbs are evenly infused into the oil. Once infused, it's time to strain your beautiful oregano oil. Carefully pour the mixture through a fine mesh sieve lined with cheesecloth into a clean bowl. Gently squeeze the oregano pulp to extract every precious drop of oil. Transfer your pure, homemade oregano oil into a clean, dark glass bottle, which helps protect it from light degradation. Store it in a cool, dark place, and it should remain potent for up to 6 months. Enjoy your natural creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.